Hi, I'd like to inquire about owning a Popeyes. Oh, Popeyes, great choice. So the first thing that you'll need is $50,000 for the franchise fee. This is the very first fee that you're going to pay to Popeyes in order to get your foot into the door of owning a franchise. $50,000? Yep, $50,000. You'll also have to have a net worth of at least $500,000, and you'll need to have liquid assets of at least $250,000. Okay, that makes sense. I think I can get that. So when can I open? Oh, but wait, that is not it. You'll also need to have between $423,000 and $2.6 million for the total investment of your Popeyes. This includes things like building out your space, like hiring your staff, getting equipment, really making sure that your store is ready to open. $2.6 million? Yep, $2.6 million. Dang, that is a lot more than I thought it would cost. Yeah, it's a lot of money, and don't forget that once you get your store up and running, you'll also have to pay a 5% royalty fee and a 4% advertising fee back to Popeyes. This is going to be taken out of your gross sales. But once everything is said and done, the average Popeyes makes about $1.8 million in revenue per year. Make sure to follow for more, comment on which brand I should do next, and for longer content, check out my YouTube channel. The link is in my bio.